So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you about the trunk weather strip. Now as you can see, that is not supposed to happen. Now over time, this car, bearing in mind, is from 2006, so the glue that holds that weather stripping is failed, which is why it came off so easily. Today I'm going to show you how to repair that. So as you guys have seen, it is so easy for me to actually take this entire thing off, which shouldn't be the case because this is supposed to be sealed completely so that it doesn't come off. Now over time, the glue inside here wears away and it comes off, and it's been like that since the time I bought the car in 2016. I'm not really too bothered about it, but today I'm actually getting it sorted out so I can get this trunk prepped and ready for what is next to come. Today what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this clear contact adhesive. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check this out, and it's going to be the easiest thing you can do to get this sorted out. Let's start it. Now the first thing what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you clean the entire perimeter of this inside lip here, which I've done already, as well as clean all here, which I've also done off camera. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the contact adhesive here, and this is super easy to use. All you're going to do is just going to open it up and you're going to feed it into that lip right here. I'm sure you can see it. So I'm just going to feed it into this lip right here, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and let it go throughout the entire perimeter of this lip. Now you're not going to be able to see everything. I'm just using the phone on a tripod, but yeah, so I'm just going to go through this entire thing. You don't have to put this on the actual window itself. That's why it's contact. So once you place this in, it will stick after some time. Well, I'll explain to you what I mean by that. Right, so that's being done. I'm going to put the lid back on, and what I'm going to do is one-handed I'm going to try. Now this probably will make a mess, but it's easy to be cleaned up. So I'm just going to take this here, line it up and place it in to the channel. Now once that's done, just line it up, get the glue to sit in, and I'm going to take it off. Now this could work immediately, sometimes it won't. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, it has glue right here. So I'm going to let it build up and get a little bit tacky. Once it gets tacky, it's not going to come out at all. Just let it sit for a bit and then line it up, place it in like so. You might need to wiggle it or get it to fit flush if you have to, but you get the gist of it. And there you have it, guys, a super simple DIY that you can do at any time that you want. I don't know why I've been pulling this off for so damn long, but anyway, a little bit of glue that cost me 25 Rand. That works out to about $2, maybe even less than that. 14, yeah, just less than $2. And that's all it takes, because once it's cured, it is almost impossible to pull out. Now I am pulling out with force because it still hasn't cured yet, but you get the idea. As once it's cured properly, it's not going to come off. And that's it. So if you found this video informative, and if you think that you need to do this, please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I am pumping out as much videos as I can to cover up for some downtime that I had for a good couple of months. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a like for the video, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope to see you soon. Peace.